Didn't we take...
What?
Didn't you take your car last year?
Changed what? You're just recording a video. If you wait, if you just go down these
It has 300
1/4
horsepower
of a
and
mile, make a U-turn.
no one, someone's did it. I'm stupid enough to do it, but it
In
goes
600
200
feet,
miles an
make
hour.
a U-turn
Wow.
to North Carolina 19.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, I'm getting the best video ever. Can you see it on the screen, Corey? You're fading in and out. It's going to rain again.
There's a parking spot right down here on the end, isn't there, next to this truck? This guy would go on instead of fiddling around.
You're right here. Right here. I'm setting it as my location right now.
Alright.
I'm setting it to the follow me so it follows me. Hang on. Let's take a video. I got an idea for a video. Hey, let's get over.
What? Get over in the rain. What?
Oh, I was gonna make the video. You ever seen the Family Guy where he goes, "It's raining sideways"?
Oh yeah. Oh no, I thought it was snowing.
It's both. It's
snowing
raining
sideways.
and snowing.
Okay, about to say.
It's snowing sideways.
Here in Antarctica, where
Just so you know, we got a truck tailgate. Uh-oh.
these things are huge, though. This thing doesn't record half the time, and it's stupid because of it. Modern technology. No, I click it and it just doesn't work out time.
Just put all the clips together.
Yeah.
That's not just making one
I'm just. These planes, these are what I was looking at. These things are huge. You could fit a small child in there. Remember, you could fit like a small child in there. Oh, it's stuck on my. Oh yeah, except for that one over there.
Yeah, but that one's turbine.
Oh yeah. This is the one over here?
Leonardo.
Leonardo?
There you go.
Yeah. Good? Oh, Eugene?
Mission.
Mission Impossible, find Eugene.
That's what we got. Oh, they're over here. I just almost tripped on that. Us?
Oh, I mean, it's his fault.
That wasn't my fault. Y'all didn't warn me about that. You guys said watch out.
Well, I football game.
Oh, wow.
Good night.
That's a lot of people.